Hi there, this is Henry Smith here from IamWealthyandRich.com, and welcome to this video. So this is my video update, cryptocurrency investment update video that I do daily. This is part of the series in the journey of an investor's journey, building a portfolio, wealth creation and action. What does it take to create wealth? You know, it creates having a mindset, the right mindset, and the right strategy. Okay, and so this is what I've been talking about throughout these videos in different parts of that topic. There are many different subsectors to that. And also what I want to point out is I've got to do the disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a financial planner or a CPA or an accountant. So, you know, do your own due diligence, your own research. Always remember that all investments do carry a degree of risk, so do not invest more than you can afford to lose. Now, these investments, you know, I started my investment journey just over 18 months ago, really with no money. So this was more of a beginning of February, I suppose, 2020, last year, and here we are now in July. And basically, I had no money at that time, so I had to accumulate the money. Took me a few months to do that, and I had to get my mindset in check to be able to do that. And I used certain mindset techniques to allow me to accumulate the funds I needed to invest. Then I had the investment strategy, and then I put them together and started in May, and things have been going really well ever since. So I have, you know, different portfolios, but what I'm doing right now is updating a particular portfolio, just to show what happens when you're not as a trader, but just as an investor. Just wait for the market to run its course. So every day I update this portfolio, and the figures, whether they're up or down doesn't really matter. That's just part and parcel of the journey. And so, you know, also the philosophies that we learn along the way, or that I'm applying along the way. So what I'm going to do now, share my screen. Then, please watch this video to the end, because I'm going to talk about something very important about from where we are right now, which is you know, onwards, what's going to be happening with the Bitcoin growth, Bitcoin's future over the short term. So watch this video to the end. So I'm going to share my screen, update today's figures, then we'll talk about what Bitcoin is doing. So this is the spreadsheet I've been using. This spreadsheet is got 3 columns: altcoin, Bitcoin, and totals. And you've got the green and red. The green is when it's gone forward on the previous day. Red is when it's gone backward on the previous day. And we can see we've got forward and backward, forward and backward, forward and backward. That's just the way the market goes. Currently, the market's in a downtrend, so obviously it's going to be more backward. So let's just, today's date is the 20th of July. So I get my figures from this page here. And this portfolio consists of, it comes in through a live feed on the right-hand side. There's a live feed here, and then into an asset group, and then we get the final figures that show here. And what we have here is, consists of 1 Bitcoin. So this is the price of Bitcoin at the moment. And, oh, I said 10 minutes ago, this is updated every 10 minutes or thereabouts. And this is a selection of specially researched, specially selected, specially picked alternative coins apart from Bitcoin, known as altcoins. As you can see, I put majority, more than 70% of my money into the altcoins, and there's a reason for that. But obviously, the whole market follows the Bitcoin trend. As Bitcoin goes up, you know, the whole market goes up. As Bitcoin goes down, the whole market goes down. So that's why Bitcoin is very important. But the big money will be made in the altcoins. So anyway, and what we have on the right hand side, so on the top, sorry, is, so we've got Bitcoin, altcoins, and the total is at the top. And then on the right hand side, the same portfolio is just in pounds sterling or Great British pound. So what I'm going to do right now is take this figure here, 85,608.47. So time 85,608.47. Hopefully that is correct. Yep, that's correct. And that is minus, so that's minus 6,000. And the total figures 115,333.44. That should be easy. 115,333.44. Sure, I got that right. Yep, that is correct. So that is also another drop on yesterday's figure, which is great. Minus 7,000. Fantastic. And Bitcoin here, I believe, obviously a drop as well. So everything will stay red today. Today's and yesterday's, so right, just hold that. So with everything's down, which is great, and this is what I've been hoping for. And what this shows, like I said, is that the market is trending downwards, and it's going to be a fantastic opportunity for those who understand what to look for. Now, so that's that. Let's talk about Bitcoin and what's happening. I hope I've got this. This what I want. Okay, yesterday I talked about, so this is really part 2 of yesterday's course. We talked about the death cross, which happened on the 19th of June 2021. So this is the death cross, and this signaled a downward trend in the market, the bear market. And we talked about we're still waiting also for another death cross to happen, which is on the 2-day chart, and hasn't happened yet. It's about to, but you can see that they're about to converge. But it's already happened on the 1-day chart, and that's 1 day rather. That's enough signal. But there are many signals that are working in conjunction to show you where Bitcoin is going. So this is what I want to talk about: why Bitcoin is going down and is scheduled to go down, and how long we can expect it to go down. And this is something called the Gaussian channel, and it's like quicksand. And this goes back, way back. I'm showing some history here from when it actually started being applied, way back from 2014. If we look at 2014, this is one of the rules, the facts that the chart point towards and shows us. So 2014, there's something called the Bitcoin's price rises and so on, and then comes down and enters into this channel. Once it hits this tunnel or channel, it goes into it, and it struggles to come out of it. It stays into it for about a year. So this was from April 14th, 27th of March 2014 to, well, this was November 2015. So this is over a year. Okay. So Bitcoin went into this tunnel, into the quicksand, could not get out of the quicksand for about a year. October. Okay. Come forward even further. I'm trying to go forward again. What happened again? Happened again in happened again in 2018. The price, Bitcoin rose up, went up to a peak, and came down into the channel. And when it went into this tunnel on the March 2018, it stayed in it, even fell below the channel until May 2019, before it was able to come out of it. So it's just over a year and 2 months. So it seems that every time it falls into this tunnel, it struggles to get out of the quicksand. And this is like quicksand and it just will not escape for about a year. And here we had another one. Here's another one. This was in October 2019 when it fell into a tunnel, into the tunnel here on this date, October 2019, and stayed in until June 20, just about, yeah, June 20, kind of touched in it again, September, I would say, before it's actually fully escaped. September 2020 is when it escaped completely, the tunnel. Okay, so, you know, it came out and then the tunnel tried to drag it back in and touched it again, but it's it managed to escape. So yeah, September. So we're talking about enter the tunnel here in October 2019 to escape completely, finally, in September 2020. Okay, so this is called the, you know, it's a quicksand tunnel, channel, whatever you want to call it, known as the Gaussian channel, which is what's happened to Bitcoin. And so we know from the fact that we kind of zoom out a bit. Basically, anyway, let's just reset chart. Fast forward to today. Bitcoin, here we are in 2021. Bitcoin went up to a peak, as we can see, 64,000, almost 65,000, 64,847, and plunged down, and it's hit and has officially entered the tunnel in June the 15th. I would say the 15th. The 15th, June the 15th, 2021. Very close to the site signal I mentioned yesterday, the death cross, which also is in alignment with this. So when you have, you know, two or more indicators that agree with each other, and to be honest with you, there are many more that signal what's happening. And what we'll do is that, yeah, many more that signal what's happening. And there are a couple that are signaling it may go the opposite, but it's like 90% of the signals are saying that Bitcoin is going to go down, including this. It has now entered the Gaussian channel, this channel now, and it is scheduled to stay in there like it did here for the next year or so. So this takes us to June 2022. Need to enter June or so 2022, for, you know, late June 2022 before it escapes. So, you know, so watch the space over the next year or so. We'll monitor it, but it looks like we're in for, you know, a 1 year of it going down, which is what I've said in previous videos. If you go through a previous video, we've talked about how we're expecting Bitcoin to go down, but I'm now talking to you about where we got this information from, because it's one thing for me just to say, oh, Bitcoin is going to go down. It's facts from the charts. We're not going by emotion. We're not going by speculation. We're going by facts from the charts and what the charts have done. The charts don't lie. And this is what has ever happened throughout history. Whenever Bitcoin has gone into the channel, it's always been in there for a year. From here to here, it's always been in for a year. If you go back from here to here before it came out, it's always been roughly a year, and so on and so forth. And so this is, it's just entered in here, and yeah, expected to be here for about a year, which is great because it's obviously going to reach a bottom line, a bottom peak price. And when it reaches that price, be ready to buy, be ready to invest in Bitcoin. And also, you know, talking about the altcoins that we talked about here, that's the altcoins, you know, we talked about the altcoins. Be prepared to invest in the right set of altcoins. And to get more information about that, let me show you how you can get more information about that. So not only will we be making money from Bitcoin, we'll be making a lot more money from the altcoin. That's why I put more than majority of my money in the altcoins when it's ready, when there's the right time. Because everything is about timing. Timing. But what you need to do is you need to go to this website here, IamWealthyandRich.com. Go to IamWealthyandRich.com, how to understand the game of money and play it well. Scroll down. Okay, this was Pun's video, which I did yesterday. So you'll see part 2 is up here, I suppose, when you do watch this video. But anyway, fill in this form. This is what you really need to do. Fill in the form now. Get your millionaire mindset and investment strategy free now. Okay, fill it in. Start applying the mindset strategy, mindset, wealth and prosperity. Develop that wealth and prosperity millionaire mindset, and then start a very simple investment plan to get your finances in order. And then email me, or one by team, but email me for the reply, because you're going to get an email that will send you to this training. So email me to get information about the altcoins, and what we'll do, we'll put you on a free webinar, and we'll show you how to get information about that. Okay, but this is where the money is. So expect this figure to go down more and to be low for longer, but it's going to be a great opportunity to absolutely invest at the best possible price. That's how you become wealthy in crypto, taking advantage of cycles. All these is just cycles. These are cycles. The same cycle repeat themselves again and again and again. It's like winter, summer, autumn, spring, or whatever you call it for, but it's cycles, repeat themselves. So you take advantage. The farmer knows when it's time to plant and when it's time to harvest. There's nothing bad or nothing wrong with Bitcoin. Everything is going fantastic, going according to plan. You just need to know when to plant and when to harvest. Most people don't know that. They plant at the wrong time and they harvest in the wrong time, and then they end up getting hurt. So they don't look after their crops. So what you need to understand is that great times are ahead. This is not gloomy. This is not bad news. This is just gives people more time for preparation. Preparation, you know what luck is? Luck is when opportunity and preparedness meet. That is what luck is. When you have the opportunity and you're prepared and you meet in the middle, that is when you appear lucky. And then have a lifestyle like what you see in the background. If you want a kind of lifestyle, you need luck. But what is luck? Luck is not just haphazard chance. Luck is opportunity and preparedness. Opportunity and preparedness. Okay? So take advantage of the opportunity, get prepared for the opportunity, and make a lot of money. Okay? Make a lot of money. And for those of you who are serious, and for those of you, who don't understand why things are, don't stop complaining. Just take advantage of a great opportunity. This is great. First of all, you want to get in the right mindset. Get the right mindset. Get the right investment plan. Get the right altcoins, and then make a lot of money. Okay, that's what it's about. So I've done my bit. At least I've shared with you, yesterday and today, some reasons why Bitcoin is going down. There are many other charts and so on I could show you. I'm not going to go into that. But that's enough. And great times are ahead. It's up to you to take advantage of them. So with that, I want to ask you to please like, share, subscribe this video, and also hit the notification button if you haven't done that. And also, visit the website. The link is below this video, by the way, so you can click on the link below the video. And also, that's all. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.